Today, we'll be demonstrating the basic cleaning and maintenance for your Jet 14-inch woodworking bandsaw. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions. Once you've disconnected from the power source, you're ready to get started. Blade tension should be checked following blade replacement and periodically as the blade stretches from use. To start, lower the tension lever to tension position. Set the proper blade tension by rotating the hand wheel clockwise to tighten, counterclockwise to loosen. The gauge will indicate the approximate tension according to the blade width in inches. Initially, set the blade tension to correspond to the width of the blade. To prolong the life of your blade and tires, raise the tension lever to the release position when the bandsaw is not being used. After proper tensioning, the blade must be tracked. Tracking refers to the position of the blade on the wheels while the machine is in operation. Tracking should be checked periodically and is necessary after every blade change. Blade tracking is done initially by hand with the power disconnected. In order for the blade to be correctly tensioned, lower the blade tension lever to the tension position. Now, back off the blade guides so they will not interfere with the blade movement. Loosen the guidepost locking knob and use the hand wheel to lower the guidepost until you can see the blade through the tracking window. Open the upper door to expose the wheel. Rotate the wheel by hand, observing the position of the blade through the tracking window. The blade should ride approximately at the center of tire. If the blade tends to migrate towards the left or right edge of the wheel, loosen the locking handle counterclockwise and rotate the tracking knob with your right hand while continuing to rotate the wheel with your left hand. This adjustment is sensitive, so make changes in small increments and give the blade time to react to your input. When the blade is tracking near the approximate center of the wheel, tighten the locking handle and close the upper door. For general machine maintenance, clean the bandsaw regularly to remove resinous deposits and sawdust. Keep the miter slot and guide bearings clean and free of resin. Keep the blade clean and sharp, checking it periodically for cracks or other signs of wear. Check the drive belt. If it looks worn, frayed, glazed, or otherwise damaged, it should be replaced. Check that the cleaning brush over the band wheel is working properly, and remove any deposits from the band wheels to avoid vibration and blade breakage. Don't allow sawdust to build up in the upper or lower wheel housings. With a mask on, vacuum or blow out dust from inside the cabinet. The table surface must be kept clean and free of rust. If rust appears, it can often be removed with a mixture of household ammonia, commercial detergent, and steel wool. Periodically, apply a light coat of paste wax or other non-silicone protectant to the table surface. Connect the bandsaw to a jet dust collection system of appropriate capacity and periodically vacuum out the motor fan cover. For proper lubrication, periodically apply a light multi-purpose grease to the rack and pinion system of the guidepost and sliding surfaces of table trunnions. Oil pins, shafts, and joints, but don't get oil on any pulleys or belts. Clean and oil the blade tension mechanism if it becomes difficult to adjust. If you have any further maintenance questions, be sure to consult your instruction manual. Any additional servicing to your jet tool should be performed by an authorized service technician at one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states. Don't forget that each jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.